today we are going to be baking. Wow. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so I did all of this work. So you can actually like see it. Wow. It has this cute little baking part. So you can actually bake it. So I'm gonna need to like help opening the Play-Doh. Okay, I got it. I did it. Okay. Cute. Okay. After I do that, it's also more exciting because we can put it in this. So we're gonna like do that. Ugh. I'm gonna make a pink cookie. Then I'm gonna decorate it. So let me get more of that Play-Doh. Not the pink Play-Doh. It's not just regular Play-Doh. It's pink Play-Doh. And now I will heart it. Heart. And now I'm gonna actually cut it again. Eef. This is so cute. I can't believe you can actually like cut it. That's actually really fun. So, if kids if you like to eat cookies, then like and subscribe because I love eating cookies. And also like and subscribe if you love cupcakes and cake. Wow! I think you'll definitely subscribe because a lot of people love cake and cupcakes. And also cookies because those are really yummy. Okay, I'm almost done baking them. Okay, this one is too big. Let me just cut that off. Okay, there we go. This looks really super duper fun. Look at it. Wow. Now I'm going to heart them. Heart. Now I'm gonna bake it in the oven.
Few moments later.
Okay, I got the customers. And it's done. So if they ask for some, or if they ask for pink cake or blue cake, they can get some. Hello. Hi. Would you like pink cake or would you like blue cake? Or would you like some pink cookie or blue cookie? I would like some pink cake, please. I'll have a pink cookie. Okay, they were already fresh, so hopefully you like them. This is yummy. Wow. Thank you. Here's your change. Cha-ching. Thank you. Okay, now that they finished that, I'll just put this back. Or no, I'll put it back in the And now we're gonna make a pink cake since that's what Barbie asked for. So let's get this pink cake. So let's do it.
Oh no!
I was not expecting that to happen. Alright, well let's do this.
Whoa!
It's gonna bake.
Few moments later.
And now we're gonna add some more blue because it's the topping. And then we can add like real toppings. Feel good. Oh, I did. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wait, I have to ask them. Blue on the bottom or the front? Front. Okay. So I made the cake. Just need to put it in the oven one more time.
Few moments later.
It's ready.
Yay!
Okay. We did it.
Wow!
Oh wait. Okay, we made the cake now. Now time to add some toppings. Is it somebody's birthday? Yes, it's my birthday. Okay, what topping would you like? I would like the star one. Okay. This one? Yep. Okay, guys, look at my cake. Okay. Now we're gonna have some more visitors, and this time it's just Tiffany. Oh, hi, Tiffany. Hello. What would you like today? I would like a cake, and for the bottom, can I actually do pink this time? Of course. Okay, I got it a little bigger, so I'm gonna try it. Oh, it just mushed it. Okay, this is what my cake looks like so far. Okay. Okay, that's a little funny sometimes.
Few moments later.
It's done cooking.
Wow!
So we're just gonna take that out. Okay, how do you want your cake? I would like it for blue, please. Okay. Here you go. Ooh, thank you. Nom, nom, nom. That was delicious. Okay, come back next time. Bye. Bye. Okay, can I also have it with a blue cupcake and with the strawberry on top? Of course.
Yes!
Okay, it's already tiny, so that's good.
Wow!
Now we can put it right here. Look how cute it is. So cute. Okay, now do you want it to be cut? No. I would just like it to have a heart. Okay, there we go. Now, are you sure? Actually, yes, I do want it cut. I want it cut like, and then I'm gonna cut this part of the cake, since that's how she wanted it. I actually cut it. Oh shit. It's coming. I did it. This right here. So now this is how it looks. Looks really cute. And Barbie's gonna eat the cake. Happy birthday, Tiffany. Thank you. This cake is gonna be so yummy, I bet. It sure is. Let me just add a little bit of pink. That's yummy. Really yummy.
Yeah!
And now that we did that, guys. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Thanks for baking with me. It was really fun. Bye. Have a good day.